Back coming live from the Cushman & Wakefield booth for ICSC Recon 2019 to bring you what's next in retail. I'm Alana Leffler, Head of Retail Marketing for America's Retail Services Platform at Cushman & Wakefield. And with us this morning is Jake Rasweiler, Senior Vice President of American Tower Corporation. How are you, Jake?
I'm doing well. Good morning. Glad to be here.
Great. Well, we're glad to have you. How's the conference going so far?
It's great. We're really enjoying it. We have a good team here, and we're really engaging with a lot of our customers here.
Terrific. So why don't you tell us a little bit about American Tower Corporation, what you do, and how you're involved in the retail space?
Sure. American Tower, we're the largest communications infrastructure company in the world. We're the largest real estate investment trust in the world. In the United States, we have over 57,000 communication sites, 170,000 worldwide. We're listed in Fortune 500 and the S&P 500. Of those buildings, of those assets I talked about, we have 1,000 of them that are indoor, 200 of which are in Class A retail in the US.
Wow, it's incredible. And what about 5G? I keep hearing all this hype about it. I am new to hearing about connectivity and what it is that you all do. So if you can explain what that is and then how property owners and investors are harnessing it.
Sure, 5G, it's really an evolution. So, we started off years ago, 1G, 2G. Most phones today are 4G. 5G is the next generation technology that's rolling out today. It will be an evolution. Typically 5G, or as with any technology, the applications and the platform are interchangeable. If you think back to 3G, mobile email and 3G are intertwined. If you think about 4G, social media, streaming video, that was very much intertwined. 5G is really around higher speeds, lower latency, things such as virtual reality, interactive streaming, and connecting pervasive sensors. One thing Cushman & Wakefield has talked about is massive sensing. One of the things that 5G is going to be able to do is allow you to connect just about anything, whether it's people analytics, building automation, or other applications in the retail space.
Wow, well, we definitely use virtual reality and a lot of those other things in retail, so that's really interesting to hear. What about other solutions that property owners and investors might use?
So we're really focused on digital connectivity, and the applications that property owners are using are really an application that are somewhat technology agnostic. What we put in is we put in digital infrastructure that allows connectivity to connect with your customers, the tenants in the building, or improve operational efficiency. That platform that we put in allows you to run a variety of applications, whether it's providing live updates on wellness programs at the facility, to provide live stream marketing, to track analytics and people counting going through the facility. So all those technologies are really enabled by the platform that American Tower puts in.
Oh, great. And what about connectivity? How is that being integrated with digital strategy for retail?
So, traditionally people would go to the mall as a way to get out of or get away from being connected. Now we find people go to the mall, they want to check social media, the rating of a store, of a restaurant. They want to be able to look at things that they're buying and check the price online and see what the rating or the experience is. Being able to do that relies on connectivity. So it's essential that you have a robust connectivity in the building, whether it's Wi-Fi or technology that's rolling out now called CBRS, that allows you to provide that real-time connectivity for consumers in the mall, in the retail location, to connect and allow the retailers themselves engage with their customers and tenants.
So that's something that's really must be very important for these mall owners, shopping center operators, to have and make sure that they can bring that to their retailers.
It's essential. We often are talking to property owners where traditionally they were looking at coverage or wireless coverage as just a complement. Now it's core to what they're doing. We have a mall that we built out, Miracle Mile Shops in Las Vegas, where we have not only cellular connectivity, but we also have Wi-Fi and CBRS that allows for real-time analytics, the ability to track people through the mall. We don't track it, but you can track devices moving through the mall, the ability to provide digital updates as far as marketing, real-time marketing to consumers. That is increasingly important as people want to engage, see how their mall is being used, how their tenants are using that space.
And are mall owners sharing that information with retailers, or is it something that they're really harnessing on their end to be able to understand who the consumers are in that area?
We really don't get into the data itself. We provide a platform, so whether the mall owners or the retailers are sharing that information, that's something that we enable, and the data is theirs to share as they seem appropriate.
Great. Well, thank you so much for sharing some information on American Tower Corporation. Very insightful. I learned about 5G. I thought there was only 4G, and everything else you described. And I hope you have a great conference. And thank you all.